PG Permaglass Ultra Gloss Paste Sealant Kit comes with PG Wonder Clay. Step 1. Wash car thoroughly before applying PG Wonder Clay. Knead, pull, and flatten the PG Wonder Clay before use. Spray clean water on the surface. Glide the PG Wonder Clay on the surface with a left-right or up-down direction. Run your fingertips to feel the bumps and roughness disappear. Fold and knead the PG Wonder Clay to a new surface when dirty. Step 2. PG Permaglass Ultra Gloss Paste Sealant application. Use a damp applicator sponge for application. The PG Ultra Gloss Paste Sealant can be polished by hand or machine. Allow to dry for 60 to 90 seconds, depending on weather condition. Clean residue with a polishing cloth. Fold to a clean side of the cloth and buff to a brilliant shine. The result is a smooth and fast water dispersion. PG Ultra Gloss Paste Sealant provides 12 months protection with Poly Resin and Carnauba Wax.